Hello my people. In my previous video I was trying to make you guys understand something, so I'm just going to continue from that video. So if you've not listened to the other video, I would advise you go listen to that video, then come to this one. Now listen guys, before you understand what the market is about to do, before you even start trading the market, now listen, I told you from the previous analysis we can see that price was bouncing off the median line. I'm going to go to that this time frame so you can see. Remember, I drew this trend line up here. I drew the weekly, monthly trend line, right? So you can see the monthly median line. Sorry. You can see the monthly median line coming down like this, and price is bouncing off it. And it's a very strong line. So price is probably going to bounce off that line. But now we can see that price is going to be in an uptrend for a little while. Now, like I told you guys, if I'm supposed to sell this market, I will not sell it at this point because it has broken this trend line. But if for some reason you would sell this market, you will wait for it to break this trend line, enter back to this main trend line, make a retest on the trend line, and start selling. But for right now, we can see that the market is already in an uptrend. So how do we do? Listen, before you even start thinking of buying this market, now some people just come to the market right now and they buy because they see it has broken. They call it breakout trade, right? So when you see that it has broken this place, for some people they've started buying to wherever, I don't know. Now this is not how to trade. If you want to be profitable in the market, your biggest virtue is patience. Your biggest virtue in trading is patience. You must wait for the market to meet you somewhere. You can't chase the market. You must wait for the market. Listen guys, this thing I just told you will change your trading. You cannot pursue the market. You must wait for the market. And even if the market doesn't meet you where you're waiting for it, then that trade is not your trade. You wait for another trade that will meet you somewhere. So listen guys, now the market has made a breakout of that place. How are we supposed to trade this market? Now I say something every time. I say before you make a trade, you must understand the 1, 2, 3 move. Listen, this move is the move. For instance, you want to buy the market. This move must happen. If this move has not happened, you have no business buying the market. You must be able to spot the 1, 2, 3 move. If you cannot spot this move, you have no business buying the market. Some people use indicators to try to buy. No, listen, guys, throw those things away. Once you can spot the 1, 2, 3 move, then you can buy the market. What I'm saying is this: once the market makes a 1, 2, 3, this is your confirmation for an uptrend. Doesn't mean you will buy now. You must be able to wait for the market to make a retest. It is on this next retest that your buy can happen. You cannot buy because the market has broken whatever resistance you call this. So the market was here, came, dropped down, and broke a resistance. Some people have started buying here. No, that is wrong. You must wait for the market to go up, come down on its next retest, and buy. This is how to trade the market. So if for some reason after this 1, 2, 3, the market doesn't come to make that retest and just keeps going up, maybe it does this 1, 2, 3 and just keep going up, then this trade is not your trade. You cannot be guessing this market. You have to be very, very disciplined. So listen, I'll go back to the trade. What I'm saying is this: we can understand that this market has probably entered an uptrend. So what it did is now we can see our 1, 2, 3 move. In other words, this third move was a breakout, right? Which is very beautiful. So we can see now that the market is supposed to begin an uptrend. Now, what are the confirmations? First of all, I told you that it's bouncing off the median line. We can see the 1, 2, 3 move have happened. Now, the final thing we are supposed to wait for is that we are supposed to wait for the market to come down and make that retest on this place. Once the market is able to make that retest on that place, then you are able to take your own trade. So now, when the market can come down, make a retest here, then you find an entry. Now listen guys, I will teach you later how to find very good entries, guys. Listen, you are going to be very profitable when you listen to my videos. Now listen, when the market comes here, then you're going to find an entry and take. And remember, I told you guys, if the market breaks this place, you will not see an entry. Then it will also break and enter back into this place. Then at this point, you will know that the market wants to continue the downtrend. But once it comes to this place, you will find an entry for an uptrend, for an up movement, and you take a buy. It is only at this move, when it comes down, you can take that buy. So don't take the buy on the breakout. You have to take the buy on the retest. You must be patient. That's how to trade the market. So guys, I hope you understand this thing I just said. So now we know that we are in an uptrend for a short while, because remember, this is a down moving market. So we know we are going to be in an uptrend for a short while. So we have understood the 1 2 3 move. All we need to do is to wait for the market to make that retest. Then we're going to take that buy. We're going to make another retest. We're going to take another buy. We're going to make more. That's how we keep going until we get to the exhaustion period, which I'll show you guys how to do. So where is the exhaustion period for this type of market? Remember, if you go to this time frame, you will see that the market is also, I told you, the market is also coming down in trends, right? So even if you draw another line here, you can see that there's a potential for this market to keep going up until it gets to this point, and we can now find another sell down. So guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe. My name is FX Bright, and I'll see you guys in my next video.